Hello everyone, welcome to Sunny Group live stream. This is Susan. Uh, Firstly, before we dive into our exciting demos, please let me introduce our Sunny Group. Sunny Group is founded in 2011. Uh, we have different we founded in 2011. We have dedicated innovating and manufacture solid waste recycling plants, and with multi years with over 10 years experience. Our main products is like the lithium battery recycling plant, solar panel recycling plant, e-waste recycling, and today's focus the motor recycling plants. uh, Sunny Group is your trusted partner in providing the good service and the high quality machines. Today we will get our workshop to show you our motor recycling test running. Uh, Later, let me show you some of the raw materials. Today we will see. We can see there are various multi status different motors, like this one. This one are smaller motors. There is the iron core and the tangled the copper wires. Uh, if we use the manually, if we use the manually dismantling, it's very dangerous. And we can see there are some motors have the rough shell and the tangled copper wires. So if you use the manually dismantle, it's very dangerous. So today our machine can solve the challenges instantly. Uh, Later we will show our different models machine to how to solve the problems and get the efficiency work to get the separated different material like the core and the copper. Generally we see why we recycle the scrap motors, because we can see there are different part of like the casting shells and the iron core and copper wires for to mix together. And uh, because as we know, so the according to the marketing information, now the copper price is 97,000 US dollar per ton. But if you only sell the scrap, many recyclers would like to separate them and sell them separately to get more profits. Until now, our Sunny Group already empowered more than 1,000 clients to uh, turn the waste into the profits efficiently and safely, more than 1,000 clients. And also this is another materials. We can see this is maybe compressor, different types. This is the radiator compressor. This is AC compressor. As we know, the shell is very tough, and it's hardly to use the blade to cut half. So later we will show our advanced machines to cut the compressor shells and to separate the compressor shell and the slaters inside. We can see this is the inside. We can see this is the inside structure after open the shells. Here is the stators inside. A stator is fixed in the rotor. Generally the rotor is aluminum mixed with the iron. Also they can be, after separated, also they can be get some profits. This is the shell. This is the shell to cut it. Okay, now let's move to our machine. there is a warehouse to so there are Germany clients. There are Germany clients order the different machines for different functions for the scrap motors and the scrap air compressors. Today we will before delivery. So today we hold the live stream to show them our machine functions and want to introduce our machines how it works. Okay, let's go the first machine. Oh, here is the some the spare parts of the blade. We can see we can see the big blade. It's the hydraulic pressure machine. Hydraulic pressure machine. Later we will see the blade function. And this is the smaller blade for cutting the motor shells. And this one is it's a rotary blade for to cut the compressor shell. Here is the claw. Is one the machine hydraulic claw. The claw. This is also the spare parts. And also today we have a good news because we will have the if you place the order in March and you can get the free spare parts and the free installation guidance and 1 year's warranty. And you can comment and number one in the chat and to get the claim rewards to get some the gifts when you place the orders, like the gifts like the spare parts and the blade and different type blades. Okay, today let me introduce the different model machines. Here is one. Today we will show you our five machines for different functions to recycle the copper and air compressors. First one is the hydraulic pressure machine. Second one is the dual function motor stator dismantling machine. The third one is the triple function. Fourth one is the blade type air compressor shell cutting machine. The fifth one is the plasma air compressor cutting machine. Today later we will show you the first one, the hydraulic pressure machine. We can see this is the simple structure, but with the heavy duty frame, prevent the vibration. You can see there is the very heavy duty structures. This is the big blade just we see. This machine here is the hydraulic oil tank. You can feed the generally we suggest to feed the 56 number 56 hydraulic oil into the oil tank. Here is the oil tank label. You can see how many liters oil you can feed. If you put the hydraulic oil, it can be put 60 liters hydraulic oil. Here is the pressure meters to when it working. You can see the working pressure show in the pressure meters. For this machine, it's generally working with maximum 16 tons when it working with the pressure. The pressure is setting especially setting. Here is the three function. The third function. If you have the big stators, you can put the big stators put up here, and you can use here is the joystick. The joystick it can go up forward and height. It can to here is it also have the switch to hold the copper wire, and you can move forward, move back. and to strip the copper wires. And this model is our hot cell models because they have different amount functions and can process the uh, very widely range status. So later that let's go back the hydraulic pressure machine to see the big blade function to cut the stators half. Okay, let's start. This is the emergency stop. With both the workers can click use the foot to click the switch. It can cut the copper wire very clean. You can see. And when cut aside of the copper, yes, it's very efficiently to extract the copper. 我们可以用一个大的钉子是这个吗？ Later, I will let worker to find the big stators to see how is the big stators to fit to the cut workstation. This machine it's the mainly spare parts like the claw and this one is blade. This one blade. As our experience, the lifespan is over 3 months to 6 months. Maybe there are some clients will ask, maybe you can see there are 3 workstations. Whether I can arrange three workers to one machine to like use one workers to is responsible for this workstation and another workers to respond for this workstation. It generally in our regular configurations, one machine is only need one workers to operate the machine. Like the worker, you can see here to cut the copper wires, and then they move this station. And if you have the big size stations, maybe they need to stand up to use these functions to try to pull the copper wires. And so some clients want to say, I have many workers. I want to maybe 2 or 3 workers to operation one machine. It is okay. We can customize the tools as your requirements. In the machine, we can add another control system to let now the control system is only require one workers to operation. If you use these functions, the other function is stop. And if you want to arrange the several workers, like two worker or 3 workers, we can customize the different control system. For example, we can add the one if you want to the 2 workstations work together. We can add the control system at the cabinet, extra separated controller. You can arrange the 2 person. Maybe when this workstation is working and this workstation is can working again. So it's all can customize as your requirements. So if you have any demands, please type to the message to us. And also you can screenshot you should screenshot me to keep to save our contact details, and you can send message to us, and our professional sales managers will contact you and provide the customized configurations, and also can provide them our machine quotations and other like the machine videos and so on. So you can screenshot our contacts or type the question in the chat. Okay. Okay, let's show a bigger status how the machine working. Okay. The machine is full hydraulic and safe and efficient. You can see. Yes. Okay. Okay. Maybe there are other questions. If I want to recycle the scrap motors, I have to buy two machines. Like I need to buy a hydraulic pressure machine, and also I need this machine, and I need two machines to operate at the separate copper and the iron core. But we also I will introduce our next advanced machine. It combined the hydraulic compression machine and the automatic copper wire extraction stations. Okay, let's move here. Just now we see it. We can see this is the combined machine with the hydraulic pressure machine and the automatic copper wire extraction station. This machine is customized for German clients. You can see there is the protection covers. Here is also the protection covers. If you want to the same configurations, you can contact us, get the quotation. Okay. Also here we can see there is the CE cabinet. When there is a feature when you open the cabinet, when you open the cabinet, you can see some special components according to the CE requirements. During working, when you open the cabinet, the machine will stop. So this is some safety device setting. And this machine is also have the hydraulic oil tank here in the back, and with some the sensors. And also there is another safety except the covers, and also another safety setting we can during the work. When the worker is open the door, the machine will stop insistently. As well, this door is also have the same setting. When you open the door, the machine will stop insistently. There is a sensor. You can see, yes. Here, this one sensor. Yes, this is the safety sensor. If you are interested in this one, you can send a message to us to get the quotation. Okay. Okay, now let's show how is the machine working. For all of our machine, we will prepare the similar raw materials with our clients and we'll test running and adjustment, and also to do the adjustment. When we will check all is no problem, we will arrange the delivery. And also for all of the cabinet, we have the emergency stop and the English the note, and for the buttons. Here is the, and during the work here is some the joystick to you can control the joystick to control the like the hydraulic pressure to go down like this. You can put the and this one is here is the automatic copper wire is extraction. When you put the stators, let me take a sample to you to show you. When you put the workflow is like this. When you put the stators here, and the the blade will close together and to hold the copper wires, and in the inside there is in the holder will go up, and the under the force the copper and the cores will separate it. For this machine, it is suitable for the diameter for different the stators diameter are not over than 30 centimeters, like this big 30 centimeters. There is you, like just we can see just when your stators can be how big your stator the diameter is, just only your stator can put it in this position, and the machine can process it. If the motor stator is over the diameter, it cannot process. So if you wondered how is the which one model today I introduced the three model, you maybe you curious how which one model I can choose is better for my raw materials. I have some suggestions. For example, if you have the mostly you have the smaller stators, less than the 20 centimeters, maybe you can both the machine you can choose according to different price. You can choose one costly effective one. And maybe you can see I have most or bigger size stators over the 30 centimeters. The bigger size may it is better. I will suggest you to choose the 3-in-1, because you can see there are different functions. Like you when you cut aside copper wires like this. You cut aside copper wires like this. Use the maybe bigger size, bigger diameters, and then you use the pulling station to pull. Hold the handle, hold the joystick to pull the copper wires directly. And if you see, I have seldom the big diameters stators, maybe mostly less than 30 centimeters. Then this one is the better choice, because you can see it also combines the hydraulic pressure, and also have the copper wire extraction workstation. It's doing the two functions. So if you which one model you choose, so it mostly is depend on how is your raw materials, and they are big or size or smaller. Sorry, big or smaller. You need to see how many big you have or how many smaller you have. If you said you want to buy the machine to process all of size your stators, may suggesting you can choose this one and this one both, because that one you can use the different functions to press your big diameter stators, and use the 2-in-1 to process your smaller stators. It will be perfect. Okay, let's run how is the machine working. Okay. You can see when you open the door, the machine is stop working, and close the door. Yeah, you see, very clean to get to extract the copper wires. And this three machine is the function is to process the motor status and cut the motor casting shells. So all of the material they have the different hidden values. For example, the casting shells you can sell to smelting casting to produce new products, and for the copper wires it can be sold and with high quality high valued, like the 19,007 US dollar per ton, and to sell to the copper wire factories like the copper smelting mill. And for the inside, for the rotor inside, as we know, in the motor there is the rotor in the motor. The rotor mainly combined iron and aluminum with less quantity aluminum. This iron is also can be sold to the with some valued. So totally it's profitable to recycle them separated to sell to get higher profits. And now just at the beginning, I showed the different material like the square copper, and also the compressor, different shape of compressor. And now I will show you the compressor cutting machine, because if you have the air compressor, you can see that air compressor shell is very hard to cut, because the shell is very they have it's soft, but it's hard to cut. So this one machine is our regular and traditional machine. Use the high durable blade, high quality blade to cut the compressor shell. We can see the blade is kind of rotary when the working, and the blade base it can move forward and close to the stator. Here is the position to fix the air compressor. And in the bottom there is a rotary. So it can rotary, also can rotary. So the rotary, the compressor and under the rotary blade is can to cut the shell. Okay, let's see how is the. And also it need to know the machine need to connect the air compressor, because they use the cylinder to control the. There is a cylinder, like see this is they use the cylinder to control the rotary, and to control the blade base to go forward and go back. So we can see the function. Okay, here is some the here is the cabinet the machine. We can just the working floor. The working floor is the workers stand here and to release the emergency button. And you can see there is the rise and the low. The rise and the low, it means in the middle base control the air compressor. The base is can go up and go down. The function is because there are different size compressors, like the AC compressor is in a short in the short the AC compressor like a height height size, and the refrigerator compressor is the overall shape, so it's maybe short. So the button is function to control the base, the control base to go up and goes down to let the compressor to close to go up and go down to let the blade to close, can cut the rotary shell. And for this one, it's the clamp. The clamp is to, here is a cylinder control to loose or tight to clamp the compressor to hold to fix the compressor cannot move. And this one release when cut it, when we finish the work, cut the compressor shell, and when we put the release, then the base, the holder can release the compressor. You can take out the cut it compressor and replace to another one to continue work. Here is the rotary. We can see this is a rotary start. And when the working, just like I said, when the working, the rotary base, the base is also can rotary. And this is the stop, two rotary position. One is the base, it can rotary, and also the blade is, when the blade close to the rotary compressor, the blade is can rotary to cut the compressor shaft. And you can see here is the control, the totally control the light, the start light. And here is the start cutting and stop cutting. When you click the start cutting, the rotary base will go front, go back, and it can close one time go close and one time go back, and like the interface to working. Now we can, our engineer is connected the air compressor. So maybe we don't provide the air compressor because different standards in different countries. Just we can suggest you which kind what specification air compressor you need. In our workshop, we use the 5.5 kilowatt air compressor and with the one cubic meter air storage. So generally, when you receive the machine, you need to prepare an air compressor machine. And this is a traditional model. Use the blade to cut the compressor shell. There is a disadvantage. Maybe the working speed is slow because you need to let the cut blade to rotary until the compressor shell is break. And also, but there is also advantage. Some compressors, some maintenance stations, maybe they collect the compressor. It can be repaired, and they just want to open the compressor shell and take out the stators. They can repair it, and then to reuse. So this machine have an advantage. When you use the blade to cut the compressor, just you can cut the compressor, and you can take out the stators without damages. So you can repair it. Okay, now the engineer take the stators compressor. Yeah, we show you a function. This is the clamp start to hold. It can hold the stators. You click the release clamp, it can release. Yes. And the blade. 展示一下。Yeah, it's the semi-automatic to show the functions. It can close the rotary or air compressor. Yeah, this base can go up and go down. It function. It's aimed to suitable different size compressors. Yes, it can also carry. Mainly used when the air compressor is rotary the blade can cut the different positions. Yes. Okay, let's start. First, you click the base to a suitable position. Let the blade to close the compressor in suitable position. Yes. For this machine, the spare parts mainly is the blade. Generally use 3 months. 3 months. The working speed maybe in 1 minute. In 1 minute, it can cut one shell. So blade, you can see the blade height. It's the blade is movement we fixed on the base. We can close to see there is some the cutting the blade line. If you are air compressor service station, this machine is suitable for you because the machine is only cut the shell. It will not damage the inside stations. Later, I will. The disadvantage for this machine, to be frankly, its working speed is maybe slower, because just the function is to for the aim is we don't want to damage the core of the compressor. And later I will introduce our advantage machines. Generally, as we know, there is yes, we can see the blade is the shell is already shell is already opened, and when we take out the compressor, you can see there is a similar structure with the motor with the motor stator. It's when you lose the screw, you can the screw there is the same structure of the motor. There is the stators, and you can use the dismantle motor stator dismantle machine. You can also to get the copper and the core separated. Yeah, yes, you can see there is no damage for the inside components. So it's better for the maintenance stations use this kind of machine, not to require the fast treatment, fast recycling. It's just aim to don't damage the components. Yes, and okay. Next, let's drive into our advanced solutions for automatic plastima cutting machine. As we know, the plastima cutting. So maybe you will ask how it works. Later there is the plastima generator, and we combine the plasma generator combined with our machine and connect to the control company to control the open and the close. The one, let's open the door. Yeah, there is the similar structures inside, and here is the plastima zoo. And there is the same function. The base is kind of rotary. So you maybe how is the plastima working? The plastima is generally is using the ionized gas heated to 20,000 temperature. The plasma arc come here. The plasma arc sliced through the steel, aluminum, and alloy up to 50 millimeters thick. 10 times faster than the traditional method. Unlike the flame cutting, there is no preheating, no open flames, and zero risk of explosion. So this is the function for the plasma cutting. It's very working speed. And this machine is also needed to connect the air compressor to provide to control the cylinder, provide the air compressor to control the cylinder. And also there is another small room. This one, because when getting the high temperature working, maybe there are some smoke. So here is the filter. It's the smoke filter. You can collect the smoke, and there is in this side there is a filter room. It can collect some the smoke. And this machine is ordered by the German clients. They have the higher requirements for the emission. So behind the head, we connect a more bigger capacity filter, smoke filter. Let's see. So we can provide the customized configurations as our clients. You just tell me your requirements, and we can discuss with our engineer and to provide the customization solutions. Like these clients, they want because they come from Germany, they have the higher requirement for the emissions. So we can provide the higher smoke filter. Just like the smoke will absorb from the machine and will be going to there is 1, 3, 4, 6 filter, and to do the clean the smoke and let the clean air go to the clean smoke to go to the air. Yes. Okay, now let's go back to see how the machine working. Firstly, I want to introduce the cabinet. There is a different menus. We can see there are cutting model 1. You can see the cutting model 1. totally in the manual there are 3 models, the cutting models. This is one, you can see the red line. This is generally for the AC generator. For there is a uh, high high size. So we will cut in the top line, in top position, and then we'll cut at the side, and the third cut the bottom, in the bottom to cut a circle cut. So this is the model 1. And also you can see we also can change to, there are some models. You can see, yes, model 1 is to cut the top side and the bottom, and the model 2 is only cut the bottom and the side, and 2 side and one bottom cutting. And the model 3 is for the refrigerator air compressor. It's because it's generally in smaller size, so we just cut the top, cut the lid. Cut the lid. You can take out the stators inside. For the different models, which one model you can choose. It depends how length. It depends how length your compressors. And today we prepare the different size, and later we will show you the different model, how is the cutting effects. And for the setting, maybe it's generally setting. You can set, for example, you can set the height. You can see, you can click the screen. You can click the screen to input your compressor size and the cutting position. And here is the second position, cutting height. This is the cutting guide. That's just the plastic arm come out position. You can move. You can set in the position. Also, and the size can be set. The 3 models can be set as your compressor size. Okay, now let's start. 可以了吗? Here is the AC compressor. Click the foot switch and to let the clamp to hold the compressor. The plastic arc can go up and go down, and it can also move forward and move back. 前后移动一下，看一看。Yeah, when you check the position, you can click the confirm the button to confirm the cutting position. Yes. Now we open the dust collector, smoke dust collector. maybe some clients will ask why there fire during cutting compressor. That's because that oil in compressor has a higher ignition point, unlike gasoline, which has a lower ignition points. The fire in the video is because the temperature is high, just like I said, the plasma temperature will heat it up 20,000 degree. So when finish the cut, there is no fire. After cut, you can be easy to open the shell and take out the stators. Yes, you can see the stator is very same with the compressor stators.这个也是一个这个给小的椭圆形的切一个。
那你把椭圆形的搞一个。
刚刚他搞的。
哪一个？
老刘，刚刚搞的是哪个椭圆形的？And we will take a overall shape. Take a overall shape. First, you need to manually to take off the copper tube of the compressor. Use the hammer, it can be remove them. As we know, there is a machining oil in the air compressor. Generally, we will suggest the clients to centralize the get together the collecting the oil and to process treatment them. Now we can use the Model 3 to cut the overall shape compressor. When you receive the machine, when you use the machine first, in one time, you need to check the plasma gun position, and when you cited the data, you needed to confirm the data, and you just can work continually. You can see the working speed is very fast than just the blade type. So if you are recycler, you want a faster machine. This machine is very recommended to you. But just like I see, so because it's the high temperature plasma cutting, so maybe the inside core will damage. Yes, we can see you just lose the screw, and you can take out the inside stator. There lose the nuts or screw. Yes, here you can separate the holder and the separator. And okay, now today we finished the test running for all the machine we want to introduce to you. So which one machine do you want to see again? And you can type the message and tell us. Oh, okay. We also will save the replay link, and if you want to see the machine working, you can click the replay link and to go back to see the machine working running. And also for the machine's quotation, you can screen or save our contacts or leave message to us, and we will send to you more details. And today we show the 5 machines that transform scraps to the valued materials. And And mentioned the last time because we have the promotion season in March. If you order the machines in March, and you can get the free installation guidance and 1 year warranties and free spare parts. If you have the demand for these machines, and you can contact us. And okay, today let's finish today. And thank you for you to enjoy us. Let's see you again next time. See you next time. Bye bye.